Hi friends, I just finished working. Can you tell I'm totally exhausted? Anyway, so I want to come on and tell you guys this story. So when I just came to US many years ago as a exchange student learning English here in the US, so I was in the classroom one day, right? The someone sneezed. Okay, and then all of a sudden, like I want to say like 10 people at the same time said something like, "Let you," and I just wasn't sure what was going on. Okay, and then another time, again, someone sneezed, and people would say the same thing, and then so I was like, "What is going on? Why?" Oh yeah, another thing is after people say bless you, and then person who sneezed would say thank you. So I said, wait, what? Why Americans sneezes and someone would say bless you and you would say thank you? Like I had no idea because there's like absolutely nothing like that in where I came from. Anyway, so oh gosh, the whole year, right? I homestayed. I went to exchange student program. Never really figured this out. Always had a question. First of all, one question was what were people saying? Because all I heard was the tone, like bless you, right? So I didn't know what that was and why everyone was saying it. And then so later on, I finally asked someone, and someone told me it's God bless you. But then instead of saying God bless you, uh, you know, it just like shortened it. It just bless you. Okay, it's almost like protecting you from whatever like illness you had. So, um, and then because people are blessing you, and then that other person would, the who were sneezing, who sneezed would say, "Oh, thank you," right? Yeah, not until I asked someone. Oh my God, I was just so confused. So if you have friends who are from foreign country, they might also not knowing what's going on. So yeah, if you wanna let them know, that would be helpful. Maybe. I mean, it would have been helpful for me. Yeah, so just wanted to come on and say hi to everyone. Hopefully you are having a good day. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.